You better not shout, you better not cry, you better not sell, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who panics old or not. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus coming, boys? I don't know, I'm feeling giga bullish right now. Bitcoin bounced off 92. Thought we were going lower, If we can break that $96,000 resistance, we can break past that. I'm going to be feeling giga bullish and feel like we might see a Santa Claus rally. Because that's where we're getting rejected off of, is that 96, And it's looking like it's once we reclaim 95, it's bouncing. Let's look at the hourly. Can I even do that on here? No, I can't. But yeah, let me pull up some things I want to talk about. The economic calendar from today. We had some bearish shit. This stuff doesn't really matter though, but it is bearish. Consumer confidence came in lower than expected. Durable goods orders came in lower than expected. Durable goods minus transportation came in lower than the last one. And actually came in better. Never mind. But I don't know what the forecast was. They don't have a forecast for that one, so I don't know what that is. But this new home sales came in lower than expected. So people aren't spending like they thought. I don't know. I mean, some of this data really doesn't really make a fuck, The most important stuff to be looking at is the PCE, CPI, and all that stuff, and the non-farm payroll. Some of this stuff doesn't matter, guys, but the market's nothing scheduled for tomorrow. Of course, Wednesday is the Christmas holiday. I did look it up. The stock markets are open tomorrow. Only they close early at like 1 p.m. So the stock markets will be closed until Thursday. And that's at 8:30 in the morning we get initial jobless claims. So we're really going to be wanting to get this report to be bullish. This needs to come in lower than expected if we want to see this number go up. This is the CME FedWatch tool. And the next Fed meeting is in 36 days. It's on January 29th, I think. Yes, January 29th. And look at this. The ease went back down to 6.4%. And I'm guessing it's because of this data. I mean, it's bearish, It's just kind of bearish. So, but that might be a non-factor. Things might change. We get some more data coming out. Let me just read this real quick. Bitcoin extends losses as traders see sub $90,000 Bitcoin price support tests. I talked about this. I feel bearish, I feel bearish about Bitcoin seeing lower lows. I mean, let's look at the weekly. Let's go to the week. I mean, this shit just looks bearish. It's on a downtrend, bro, If we can get, start reclaiming some territory here, I'll feel a little more bearish, but it's like, it's just, the floor keeps coming out. And these altcoins, though, are starting to actually show some strength, surprisingly. And I saw the Bitcoin dominance is ticking down just a hair. Yeah, the fear and greed is at 54, but BTC dominance is coming down here. It's almost back down to 56. It was at like 58. So that's bullish for altcoins. That is bullish. And on the 24-hour, I mean, ETH is definitely outperforming Bitcoin right now. So that's a good indicator. Those are two indicators to me that I'm going to start seeing these altcoins start fucking moving. Fuck yeah, boys. Ready to see these altcoins fucking start regaining some lost territory. Now, I don't really want to talk too much about it much. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on, because we could still come lower, If Bitcoin doesn't reclaim some of this territory, it's going to keep getting lower lows and just keep getting smashed on. These guys are saying BTC priced it back up the truck at 85K. So these people are basically, let me just read this. After weekend saw a spike to 99.5, extinguished by sellers, Bitcoin failed to recover lost ground, taking its drawdown from last week's all-time highs to 15%. Summarizing short-term price performance, Populous Analytics account Bitcoin Data 21 warned over support resistance flips. Underside resistance and rejections of VWAPs are not what you want to see for bullish price action. They commented alongside a corresponding chart referring to volume weighted average price points. A retest of 92,000 for Bitcoin looks likely, and we just got that today. As of right now, 85 to 86K looks like the back of the truck area to go all in for bulls. So, I mean, I agree. I think 88K is more like maybe 89, 87. I don't know if it does go, guys. I don't think it's going to go lower than that. Personally, I was feeling a little bit bearish, but now I see Bitcoin starting to show a little bit of strength, you know, and some of these altcoins are too. You know, I'm going to probably make a separate video on that in a second. I might make another video about some of these altcoins I have in my portfolio that are doing really good today. But here's something funny I saw. I just want to share this with you because this is pretty much how I felt basically this weekend or this past couple of days, because I just put like $1,000 in the market and then got smashed. Hold on. Yeah. You know, that's kind of how I felt, man. Sometimes you just got to live through this. You got to make it through this. We're going to get out of here, boys. We might see that Christmas rally. Oh, just unplug the guitar. But yeah, boys, that's all I got for you, man. I hope we see that Santa Claus rally, you know? You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not sell, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yes, sir. Well, that's all I got for you, man. I just wanted to give you a heads up of what I think going on with Bitcoin. If we can't get back above and, you know, break through some of this resistance, I just see continuation of the bearishness. You know, however, you know, see, it's got, I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell, guys. But it looks like it's, I don't know. It's kind of just moving sideways and slowly creeping back up. But we'll see what happens. Because, you know, these holidays, man, it's hard to call what's going to happen. Markets are closed. All it's going to take is some whales to sell or buy to move the price dramatically. So stay vigilant, boys. If we get that $85,000, you know, it's time to back the truck up, you know. I would say so, because this is the fucking last of the Mohicans. It's our last fucking chance to buy cheap Bitcoin and altcoins. Me personally, I think this might be the last time Bitcoin is under 100,000. That sounds giga bullish to say that, but I think this might be the last time Bitcoin's under 100K, guys. Just honestly. So if it goes down to fucking 85, these altcoins are going to get smashed a little bit. They're actually kind of doing well right now. They're showing some strength, but you know, if Bitcoin starts capitulating again and goes down to 85 or in the upper 80s, it's really not that far from where we are right now. So it's not that serious. I mean, I'm feeling less bearish as time progresses, you know. At first, I thought it was like really bearish. I thought altcoins were going to get hit worse, but it's really not that bad, guys. And I think we might have the possibility of a Christmas rally. Like I said, if we can see Bitcoin continue going up, if it can smash through that $96,000 resistance and start regaining some territory, especially if we could like close the, you know, above 96, I would feel more bullish. I would feel even more bullish if we get back above 100, you know? I feel giga bullish. But yeah, boys, hold down the fort if you get any value from me. Like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, later, y'all.